Lahore is transforming every single day. Modern infrastructure, non-stop development, and maintenance projects. The government is actively reshaping the face of this city.
लाहौर में तरक्याती कामों का नया रिकॉर्ड बन गया।
लाहौर डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम का फेज 2 लॉन्च करने की तैयारी।
लाहौर के लिए नया दाखिली और खाची रास्ता बनाने की तैयारियां।
In our previous episode of The Narrative, we shared with you how CBD Punjab will transform the face of Lahore. और आज हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं एक complete recap and latest updates. So keep watching as we share 5 game-changing reasons why CBD Punjab deserves your full attention. मैं हूं अहमद मलिक and you are watching The Narrative. Number 1. Truly central. CBD Punjab is undoubtedly the heart of Lahore, a bold, future-forward initiative that's redefining the skyline and the economy of Lahore. CBD Punjab is Pakistan's first ever central business district, a vertical expansion of our urban landscape supported by global standard infrastructure. मगर ये सब कुछ मैटर क्यों करता है? क्योंकि CBD Punjab एक सिर्फ real estate project नहीं, ये एक national economic driver है. It's attracting foreign investment, creating jobs and establishing Lahore as a regional business hub जो एक modern और sustainable पाकिस्तान की विजन के साथ aligned है. ये गुलबर्ग, DHA, Walton Road and Firozpur Road जैसे एरियाज को कनेक्ट करता है, making commute faster and business smarter. This central location naturally attracts people from all directions, turning it into a powerful hub for business, retail, and modern living. It's not just about location, it's about leading Lahore's shift towards a vertical, smart, and sustainable city. With this prime location, CBD Punjab offers unmatched prestige, strong returns, and long-term value. Truly the economic and commercial heartbeat of Lahore. Number 2. Seamless, faster, and sensible connectivity. Recent road infrastructure has already gained a lot of attention from the public. Route 47, which consists of a dedicated underpass, a flyover, and a 4.5 kilometer long signal-free 3-lane road, जो अभी recently public के लिए open की गई है, is quite literally the shortest and the fastest link between Gulberg and DHA. और इससे पहले we saw the inauguration of Mohammad Isaaq Shaheed flyover, जो Walton Road को DHA से मिलाता है. ये सब projects CBD पंजाब की supreme management की supervision के अंदर successfully complete किए गए हैं. Number 3. Green, sustainable and beautiful. CBD Punjab isn't just connected, it's designed for life. Boasting 3 kilometers of dedicated blue lanes for cyclists, lush tree plantation throughout the district, and a rainwater reservoir to conserve water. It's built to reduce carbon footprint and boost livability. EPA-aligned green standards, underground utilities, modern telecom systems, LEED certified buildings, beautiful parks, central landmarks, and even a botanical garden collectively creates a smart city ecosystem where sustainability and beauty thrives. Number 4. Intelligent, future-ready infrastructure. CBD Punjab को एक intelligent, future-ready urban hub के तौर पर डिजाइन किया गया है. Built to international standards, from smart underground utilities and advanced energy systems to solar-powered pedestrian pathways and blue roads that reduce heat absorption. Every detail reflects forward thinking and more. Dedicated EV charging stations, integrated telecom and surveillance systems. These ensure seamless connectivity and safety. But it's more than just infrastructure. It's a complete lifestyle destination. Whether it's food, entertainment, commerce, finance, or modern urban living, CBD Punjab is set to meet every contemporary need. Altogether, it positions Lahore as a truly global, future-focused city. Number 5. Extraordinary investment opportunity. Real gains, real growth, real opportunities. Whether it's finance, business, residential living, or commercial investments, this is where it's all happening. And leading this transformation is one of the biggest names in vertical development, Zameen Arcs. Proudly brought to you by Zameen Developments, the pioneer of modern urban living in Pakistan. Located at a prime address in CBD Punjab, Zameen Arcs features state-of-the-art commercial spaces, residential and service apartments, and corporate offices, all designed for the modern professional. Zameen Arcs is aligned with CBD Punjab's long-term vision, offering smart facilities, unmatched capital growth potential, and the first mover advantage in this thriving business district. तो अगर आप high returns और future forward development में invest करना चाहते हैं, इससे बेहतर time और location नहीं. Zameen Arcs in CBD Punjab is your chance to make it big. Visit zameen.com to explore project details, floor plans, pricing, and secure your place in Pakistan's most promising urban district. Zameen Arcs. Experience the extraordinary.